attitude, always improving. East Coast, West Coast, both sides grooving. Microphones, mad beats ain't losing. Backpack full of verses, spit it ruthless. 90s spirit carried on true and toothless. 90s spirit carried on true and toothless. 90s spirit carried on true and toothless.
Shut my fingers in the door. Weekly update. How's it going, everybody? So we have another update time. Gary's Ranger here. Hood scoop is done. You can see it's all fastened in, stuff like that. We're gonna get the self-leveling rivets, the beveled rivets. The latches are in, the mini fenders are mounted, door bars are welded and done. I think we have a design idea nailed down with Gary. We're gonna do a fabricated sheet metal bumper. The only thing we have to get nailed down with him is the exact lighting package that we're gonna be running so we can do the correct pockets in the sheet metal bumper. Otherwise, we're cruising along on that one. And then for Big Mike's Blazer over here, we had started cleaning it up. We added in one tube right here. This is 1 5/8 tubing, which I think when he built this, the only thing that you could really get for a Blazer that was like something you could order online was a drag car cage, which drag car cages are, for whatever reason, an odd size, 1 5/8. So we had to order some tubing for that. I had one chunk. We got, tubing just showed up today. Finished that out. We did put some laminate plates to help with the side of the frame here. When we cut one of the tubes that was already existing down here, we noticed a couple cracks in it. This way we cut that off, put a laminate plate on the outside, welded it on. Now we're gonna put all our downward tubes in here to brace everything in. We're not gonna tie it back to the firewall like it was before. We're just gonna basically do an engine cage. And then that is about it. We've gone through a few little cracks that we found on the frame and just welding them up a little bit here and there. For the F100, now that we have the machines for the laser and the press brake, I can actually make the rest of the parts. I've been trying to hold off on those until the machines got here. Come Monday, Tuesday, when you guys will probably be watching this video, is when we get our training done. And then I can make the upper arms, trailing arms, all the other stuff. We have the tube files done now. We'll get that all laser cut and bent. You can see we have the very, very beautiful billet power steering box from PSS. It is mounted, it's here. We got most of the root passing done inside the fixture. Everything's looking really good. It's coming out exactly the perfect degree that it's supposed to be sitting in there. Now that that's in here, we can build our swing set brackets. That will be a whole bunch of bracketry inside here. Get all that done. And like I said, we can get the A-arms done. I can start cutting tubes. There's gonna be a whole lot of fixturing I gotta make for the cage structure. We already have some of it in there. We're gonna finish off and add more just to help with later. Otherwise, I think that's all we got for you guys this week. And stay tuned for next week.
90s rap when my soul feels home. Boombox playing, rhythms forever grown. Old school essence in the cycle we roll. Back when hip hop wasn't just a show, but it's clone.